All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Canyon. Canyon. Like the ground here and the ground there. This canyon here. Canyon. Canyon, yeah. A steep cliff between two edges that often has a river at the bottom. So cliffs, steep edges, goes down, with a river at the bottom normally. Yeah. Can you see the canyon? This is the biggest canyon in the world. Yeah. He has seen that canyon. She wants to travel to the canyon. Yeah. I am not sure where any canyons are in the UK. Yeah, I'm not sure any canyons. They might know. They might know where some canyons are. I should ask them. They might know. I should ask them. Yeah. How cool is that? It might be closer than you think. It might be the biggest canyon in England. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. That canyon was formed a long time ago. Most canyons are quite old. Yeah. We're crossing it carefully over the bridge. So we should cross over the canyon carefully because the bridge is quite old and weak. Weak, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How will they know where the canyon is? Yeah, so which way to the canyon? I'm not sure which way to go. I'm not sure which way to go to the canyon. Yeah. That way or this way? I'm not sure. Yeah. The canyon is big. We can't miss it. The canyon is big. We can't miss it. But we need to find it first. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So canyon. Now, can you use canyon in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.